Yes, guys. Hope we're all good. Right. So we're gonna start as we do every week. We'll do some higher term time frame analysis on Bitcoin. I'll just wait for people to join in the group. I still like these lows being taken. Okay. Right. Let's coffee ready. Let's mark some charts up. Where are we at? Okay, so PM low. This will be clearer once I've finished and remove the drop on a lower time frame. Inside week so far. PMH. Okay. Hello, mate. You alright? Wow, such a dead week, isn't it, really? There's not really. Like, I hate it when we have inside weeks. Wow. Okay. So monthly pivots time. So let's have a look at. I'm assuming we smashed the weekly as well. Yep. These streams are getting harder and harder every week because we've literally done nothing in the last month or so. Alright, let's leave that on for a little bit. We'll have a look at that one. Yeah, my goal is to still clear these lows. Jump back up onto the daily. I'd like this low completely cleared. We've now got equal lows. probabilities of them staying intact, slim. I'd like them cleared. It would make sense to clean them. Just get rid of them pivots. Yeah, see, equal lows. I'd actually like to clean them, run them out. Because of the way I trade, until we take a, let's have a look, let's just get previous day up as well. Okay, so we've run previous day high, low, you'd imagine. So everyone moans at me to stream and then nobody joins. Right. Okay, so we are structurally moving up now. If we tag that, nope. Yeah, I want lower prices. I really do want lower prices on this. Same as Ethereum. So, yeah, they're the zones. They're obviously daily imbalances. This was obviously the level we were on about in the stream. Hello, mate. Either last week or the week before, we were saying we wouldn't mind a drop down to the imbalance, which we got. What would I like now, really? We've raided previous month low, which gives bullish SMT. We left equal lows on Bitcoin, didn't we? So I wouldn't mind actually. These were my targets if we tagged this level. Yeah, if we raided previous month low, these were my targets. Like 1,500 on Ethereum. Target, I see no reason to change them. Like structurally, we're making new highs. That's a nice low. It will get filled at some point. Like, I'm not saying like that's our low. Overall, I want to come back down here again. But yeah, we've tagged that imbalance. We've got premium of the previous month range. If we can get up there, yeah, that's a target of mine, but we're getting towards the end of the month now, so are we going to get an expansion to the upside? It's not looking the most likely, but it is. That is the goal. Obviously, very previous month low, return to a daily imbalance at premium, so I wouldn't mind that. Ethereum looks a lot nicer than Bitcoin does. Let me just check. Did let's have a look. Okay, Bybit did take previous month low, didn't it? Okay. Hello, mate. Yeah, I like the fact that it did take the low. I think that would be a dream opportunity. Like, although we did officially take that low, like for me, again, like that's Jocko, 1% battery, bro. Feel your pain. But yeah, again, this is what I'm going to be looking for. Let me just get rid of them key levels. Right. Just get rid of normal. Right, so if we get an impulse, you would expect this level to hold. We shouldn't break previous month high. Chances of a monthly Judas, not likely. So, for me, yeah, that's perfect. I'd still like if the opportunity presented itself, I would love to run up to a premium. We've got a lovely imbalance, which, as Jocko knows, it matches the theory. Take PM low, seek a daily imbalance at premium. We've got one perfectly located with highs just below it. So we've got relative equal highs up here. So again, if we could purge that liquidity, yeah, that would be really nice. I'm not saying it's not guaranteed to happen. Nothing's guaranteed, but should an opportunity arise and the price does get up here, I think personally, any M15 breaker structure should we get up here, and I would look for a short opportunity, and I'd be looking for new lows, or at least to take out these lows. Yeah, because we tagged previous month equilibrium. We literally tagged the equilibrium at the start. So one more run, take it out, rebalance. Could even, let's have a look. Where could we go for? Maybe like I say, anywhere up there I'd be happy with. Have to see what this H4 raid leads to, but yeah, no, that's really unless we get down here and take these lows. There's really 3 levels I'm interested in. I'm already short from up here. So for me, unless we get down here, which would clean out all of the lows, then we can see if we raid the lows or if we just drop straight through it. Like I said, I'm already short. I'll hold my short. My stop's at entry, but for me, yeah, I think they're the only levels I'm personally interested in. Where did that come back to? That's nice. 4-hour order block. Let's have a look on the weekly. Where was it? Yeah, that's the weekly range, isn't it? It's just trash, man. So bad. Like, this week's price action is so poor. yeah, I can't really suggest much whilst we're trapped within this range. It's crap. Let's have a look on, since we've been down here. Yeah, and volume wise, we have got a volume gap up there, so I wouldn't mind. Because every time we've got to this zone, we tend to just slid through it, down, up, down. Now I'd like to just properly fill it, get some volume, even if we just consolidate up here, get some form of mini range, and then start to break down. Then you've got a nice entry, you've got clear targets to the downside. Obviously the point of control, you'd want the point of control to shift up, like build some volume, or at least fill in some of that volume imbalance. If we can get up here, then yeah, that's my short positions. It's below us imbalance wise. And the only other potential trades I would look for would be based off of the previous week range, but again, you'd need to see, I'd want to see either down. I'd either want to see previous week high raided and a break of structure, then that gives us a short opportunity back to any 4-hour imbalance that may form. But until we get there, there's obviously right click. I can't even just flip it, can I? No. But yeah, that's all I'm waiting for. Within this range, I'm not interested unless you're scoping. We could obviously scope off the daily range. So when we raid previous day low, then we're targeting balances. But yeah, I'm not interested in it. I'm really looking for higher term time frame trades on crypto. I'm too busy with the forex market to be scoping, and I think they're the important levels. Let's just check where them. Yeah, see. Like, there's not really much more I can say about Bitcoin when that's all we're literally consolidating within. It's an inside week so far. We're at the point of control of the whole range. Where's the value area low? Yeah, we've literally just bounced off the value area low. So I'd actually like to move our way up now. Where's the value area high? No, I'd rather take that high, yeah. That's the only, like I say, I'm already short. They're the only levels I'm interested in, really. Obviously, we could get in day trades if we get raids a previous week high, then we get a break of structure. We can look for shorts and just day trade it back down. Same as if we come for these lows, but mainly I'm looking for the overall low. I want it all cleared up. That's why I'm looking for shorts. Every rally I'm looking to short it. Until we get a higher term time frame break of structure, like bullish break of structure, which we haven't had. Right, let's just get rid of that. Let's have a look. Okay. Where are we at then? Let me just... I'll put all of this in a folder. Let's find some 30 days. Let's have a look, shall we? Mark up the key areas. $30, $60, $90. Right. So that's obviously. Anyone got any questions whilst I'm marking this up? Right. Yeah, we're still taking lows, highs are getting protected. That's, and then obviously we've got our fair value gap in there. Above, yeah, I wouldn't mind that. That would be nice. Target that high. We've got a nice imbalance. Reach into that. Yeah, and then look for lower term time frame structural break. Look for shorts. Above that. So that was them equal lows, wasn't it? Yeah, I like that. I think that is what I am planning. It makes sense. If we can get up there, then yeah, that's short zone. For yeah, 100%, I will short that. Nothing preset because I don't want to preset and we just drive straight through it. But yeah, should we get up there, I think that would be a nice zone to look for shorts. I'm already short, like I say, but if we, as for longs, if we really want longs, then from where we are now, to get long I would look for price to break up. We obviously would get a 4-hour change of character if we took that. I would then drop to either the 1 hour or 15-minute. I'd try and find some imbalances on the impulse leg, and from there you could look for day trade longs and try and just trade it up. And obviously you've got targets above. You could take some off up here. But that would be my overall target, looking at 20500. If we can get up there, that would give some nice shorts. What would that mean for Ethereum? Ethereum would be pretty. What level was it? It was 1500, wasn't it? pretty sure we're looking at, yeah, I think 15. Yeah, I'm not saying we're definitely going to go here. I'm just saying, like, if we can get up to these prices, then yeah, I like it, because we've obviously got, everyone will be screaming, oh, daily order block, daily order block. When, yeah, I'd rather see us smash through that and then reach for the imbalance on the upside. That should give some nice short opportunities, and then yeah, I'd be looking for new overall lows, but one thing at a time, obviously. Listen, look at the perfection. It's like, it's undeniable. Like, fair value gaps are important. But yeah, okay, so now we've tagged that, I am now looking for that imbalance. If we can get up to 1500, I think it'd be a perfect short. They're equal highs, aren't they? Yeah, relative equal highs there, so we've got, I think that will be bullish SMT against Bitcoin, because if you remember, Bitcoin raided that low, Ethereum didn't. So if Ethereum can start to get a move up now, then obviously you've got the level you'd like to see it break would be that, and then we can look to run it up there. But I am overall bearish. Right, I'm just trying to think of the best positions to where we can look for short entries. Voice channel questions. KP. What? Nice trade. Right. Yeah, like I said, I'm bearish overall. Higher term time frame, medium term time frame. But it's a bit hard to have any form of lower term time frame bias when we have literally just gone sideways this week. We've done nothing, so yeah, it's kind of crap. Yeah, I'd watch to see if we hold this low on Ethereum, if we actually hold this higher low and start to break structure to the upside, then I would like to see price run up here. But yeah, like structurally it looks like we could break down. Not great. Yeah, you can see, so that is actually bullish SMT against ETH, but for ETH, I don't know, and I don't like it so much. I suppose it's not so bad. Of the impulse leg, we come back for it. Yeah. Okay. Don't really do short-term trading, but we'll have a quick look and see where we could maybe expect price to go. Got an imbalance. I'd rather we didn't come back. I'd rather just carry on up now. Yeah, no key structure break yet. Small imbalance and an order block. Yeah, I'm happy to hold my short for now. See what questions anyone's got. Missing. It didn't fill. Did that not fill? Oh. That's like, really? That's mad. How you didn't get a fill there is disgusting. Like, that should have filled. But I've noticed if you compare 8 cap on MT4 to 8 cap on TradingView, the prices are different. Way different. Let me just, sorry, I've just got to do something. 1 minute. Reduce only. Confirm. There you go. Try to do something there. Right. Yeah, it's not good, man. When you're, I personally use MT4 when I'm looking for entries. I'll do my analysis on TradingView, but then I'm watching MT4 live, and that's what I end up market buying half the time. Right. Yeah, I honestly think you're better off using market orders, mate, for Forex. Yeah, the amount of times I've seen it hit my limit. Yeah, definitely, mate. Like, marketing's just easier. You haven't got to worry about fees. Makes no difference. Monitoring this live, seeing if we actually get a move whilst I'm on it. Normally waits for me to go off stream, so not too impressed. Because we're taking, come on, let's see what it does. Anyone got any questions? Anyone got any questions? Yeah, I will be whacking it on YouTube, mate. Like, I think they're the only key areas. Like, for me, like, these streams are all higher 10 time frame anyway. So yeah, they're really the levels that I'm targeting. I'd like to take out this high and then come and just destroy all of these lows. I'm just trying to think of like logical moves, what would wreck people, and to sweep both sides of this range, this little range we've built here. Yeah, we could go lower before the highs, man. The SMT's kind of a bit, yeah, like I say, I think it's important to, if Ethereum holds the higher low, and we can see a little bit of impulsive price action, then yeah, maybe we do get that run up there. But yeah, until then, it's one of them. We'll react at the. I'll react at the time. If I see anything really nice, then I'll post some charts. They're just what I'm doing with them, mate. They're literally 30-day, the last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Same as ICT uses 2046D for his IPDA ranges for forex and indices. Some of the guys on the group were using 30, 60, 90 for this, so I just like to see where our liquidity is. And I think 30 days, yeah, seems to work quite well on crypto. So, like I say, structurally on the 1 hour, we're taking out highs and the lows are holding. As long as that continues, I'd like to see us go higher. But yeah, quite a bit. I'm trying to... KP talking in 2 chat rooms, bro. You're killing me. Yeah. 100k's not coming. I know, mate. Yeah, that 100k, like, yeah, I don't think we'll get that. Not yet. Not this year, anyway. Yeah, I think that, like I say, they're the only levels I really care about. If Ethereum holds the higher low and breaks structure, then we're going higher. I think if Ethereum breaks that low, then we're going lower. We have imbalances below. You watching London lows on EU? No, I'm not watching London lows on EU, mate. I'm streaming. It's 2:45 p.m. I will be, as soon as I finish the stream, I'll have to sort it, upload it, edit it, upload it, and yeah, I think by then it'll be nearly my bedtime. I see no reason to panic. I'd like Asia low taken out, but for me it's a bit late in the day now. I'm not really that interested. I'll wait for London. London will give me a trade opportunity, no doubt. Normally does. Right. Okay, so I want higher prices. I think that would be nice. Where did we take out with that? Okay. Yeah, we'll see anyway. Is there any assets anyone would like to have a look at? And was that clear for everyone? How about no? No worries, mate. I think they're the logical levels to watch for. Like, to the downside, obviously, like locally, yeah, I think we're going higher. I just have, unless this imbalance can send us down, then maybe, but I would like higher prices. I just want to get in a massive short. The next ape. Jesus. I've never even seen it, mate. But if I'm being honest, 2 days old. Yeah, if I'm honest, mate, like, I don't even track crypto anymore. Like, this is the first time I've looked at Bitcoin since the last stream, and in the last stream was when I gave the short. So yeah, I think the short was from up here. Yeah, from this retest up here. So. $19.05, but I don't know, you're breaking. but I'm short from 98. Yeah, so that's the fair value gap, yeah. Yeah, it's a logical zone, mate. But like you, exactly how you put it, like it's. Yeah, no, I think we're good, man. Like, I think if price can get back down there, I think it's worth a shot anyway. Especially if you're short from like 19.8. I see no reason to not have a pop at a long, especially if you've got a tight invalidation. Like, there's a couple of zones down here which, yeah, we've got like. The old high. Five-minute fair value gap tagged. See if it sends us lower. I might actually attempt a long myself, but what I'd likely do is if we were to come down, I would wait for. I would trade it based off a 5-minute market structure. Because let's see what ETH did. What has ETH just done? Okay, so yeah, we have bullish SMT against Bitcoin then. So obviously we had. Well, this is going to be nasty, but I'm going to make you guys endure it. No worries, mate. I hope the meeting goes well. Right, so yeah, you can see here on the 5-minute. Lower low, higher low. No worries, mate. Right, I'm going to be going myself in a minute anyway, but has anybody got any questions or anything they want me to look at before I go off? Like I say, like we've got M5 change of character, we've got fair value gaps left. If we can break this high, let's switch back to single mode quickly. Yeah, for me, if we can pop that high, yeah, if we can break that and leave an imbalance at discount, then I may look to sculpt. Should we return there? Purely based off of, it would be a sculpt trade though. Found a nice imbalance. $10 would look nice. We need to pop the high, come back, then look for higher prices. Yeah, because we're raided. We should, in theory, break structure. And if we do so, there's no reason not to long retests. You can see here, we displace to the upside, we leave a tiny we leave the fair value gap, we come back, we have like 3 dips into it and move up to a new high. breaking it. Yeah. You've got my targets to the upside. If we can get a roll going, I would probably look for a long if I'm honest. If we get the chance. But I'd like to see us actually break the high and not just fill an imbalance. Hit that and come back down, and I'm not sure I'd like it so much. Obviously, when this formed, we raided the low. If we can break this high and not just reject there, then yeah, if we can get a return down here, I would look for a scalp. We would obviously have an imbalance, order block. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Obviously, if we reject here, I'm not trading anything. Yeah. Alright, any questions before I leave you, fine people? I'll be about in the Discord anyway this afternoon. I might actually I'm going to trade a little bit of Bitcoin, I think, or Ethereum. Not done it in a while. Not scalping anyway. Is that a no? You sure? No questions? Right. That's me done then. Thank you for joining, guys. And yeah, we'll do, if anyone wants to, I might do a London stream for Forex tomorrow, if anyone's about. I was meant to do it this morning, but I overslept. So yeah, try and look for some live setups, because Forex is so easy to trade during London. And yeah, I could do a stream, or well, it will be a YouTube video that gets uploaded, showing what I'm looking for during London for Forex. Hopefully, try and get a live entry. But yeah, I think that might be the plans for tomorrow. No worries, mate. I appreciate you joining. Yeah, that's me now. Have a good evening, guys. Trade safe. Take care. I'll speak to you soon. Right, for YouTube, that's me done. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if anyone would like to see my Forex strategy for London, let me know in the comments and I will get a video uploaded. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.